In this video, we're gonna check out my $4 flight from Spirit Airlines. Always remember that love is a gift and life is a journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And off we go. It's 3:30 p.m. right now and I'm packing all my stuff. I'm about to leave and book my Uber for this $4 flight. I'm pretty nervous for a month now. I've read the reviews. I've heard this is the worst airline and there are canceled, delayed booking right now, and for $4 flight, I am putting myself at risk to see my best friend, to do our plans. So, very nervous right now. But I've also heard good reviews, like don't expect anything from it. They're gonna get you from point A to point B. Here we go! See you later! It's 5 p.m. right now. I'm here at the counter of Spirit Airlines. They told me I don't have to go through any line. I just go straight to the departure because I already have my boarding pass. Boarding pass, and she said I made it! I have $4 flight plus my taxes, which is like $35, I think, plus my bag, which is $54. It's so weird that it's $54 and it's more than a check-in bag. I guess they don't want you to check in your bag. So the Express One will give you a Zone 1, which is for you to get in the flight pretty early than other people. And you have the authority to put in your luggage if you have a carry-on on top of the bin. Was it worth it? It's $7, so I didn't mind it. I didn't pre-book a seat because it's just a 1-hour flight. But going back, I would have booked a seat just for fun. They have like the $69.50 one, which books you a seat, give you a carry-on bag or luggage bag, and also the express one. That's a good deal, I think. I'll take that next time. Getting some snacks is pretty cool. Remember, this is cashless transaction. They have this iPad which you will get your order and they will swipe your card over there. It's pretty easy. I got $4 popcorn. Of course, there are middle seats. The flight is full as usual because it's very cheap. The restroom is pretty small, but it's cute. Everything is there, toilet paper, napkin, and then the seat. And they also have a soap for you. There's a mirror, so it's not that bad. The seats of the plane are kind of peculiar. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a seat from the airport, which is kind of weird. I have a phone call. Wait, let me just... Gotta go. My best friend's here to pick me up. Spirit Airlines is A-okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe.